Pablo's special moves in Hawaii concert, Josh, Ken, Justin di na halos makatingin. SB19's Hawaii concert is indeed special as this is their last concert in North America. At heto, may special moves din si Pinuno during their I Want You performance na ang tawag umano dito ay Hawaiian Punch.
I think the Hawaiian people, ATN, they also felt it.
You know what I call that move?
What?
It's called Hawaiian Punch.
Hawaiian Punch? Think you can show it again? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Now look at the reactions of Josh, Ken, and Justin na natatawa at mukhang nahihiya pa para kay Pablo kaya hindi na halos makatingin dito. Pero di bale, approve naman kay Bunso kaya sana'y ulit-ulitin ito ni Pablo sa kanilang mga tour stop.